Hello people who search the interwebs, my name is Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. Don't judge my wet hair. I just got out of the shower a little bit ago. But today's video is going to be a pack with me for a quick little vacation. It's literally a 24-hour trip. I'm going to... Oh, did I pop a blood vessel? Oh, that's so nice and lovely. Love my life. Anyways, I'm doing a college visit. So we're literally just gonna... My dad and I are going to Colorado tomorrow morning. And gonna go tour Boulder and see if I like it. So we'll see what happens, but it's gonna be a lot colder there than it is here. So I have all my clothes out that I'm gonna bring. So I'll show you really quickly what I'm gonna wear on the plane and what I'm gonna bring, and then we'll pack it in the bag and they'll do toiletries, and then I'm pretty much done because it's literally the quickest trip I've probably ever been on. Okay, so as much as I despise wearing jeans on the airplane, I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. So I just have these American Eagle jeans. They have no rips in them because it is like a tour. So I do want to look presentable with this turtleneck, which is inside out from Forever 21. It's got the little scalloped edge, and it's not too tall of a neck. So yeah, that's cute. With this jacket, which is actually from Costco, but it's literally like the softest, comfiest thing ever. It's like fur, so hopefully I'll be warm because it's like 40 degrees there during, or like 50 degrees during the day, and then it's literally gonna be like 30 degrees at night, so hopefully I'm warm. And then for the airplane on the way home, literally, I have these comfiest Roots sweatpants, random t-shirt just because it's going to be hot when I get back home, but cold there, and then this fluffy Disneyland jacket because again, it's going to be like 20 degrees. So I'm just going to pop that in the suitcase. Okay, then I have a pair of gray sweatpants for pajama bottoms and this really oversized fuzzy hoodie thing for a pajama top because I'm assuming it's gonna be freezing. And then I just have this little bag which I'm gonna put my socks and underwear and undergarments into, and then it's literally so easy, just grab them out of there. I'm gonna wear my low-rise blazers on the plane and to dinner and for the college tour and on the airplane the next day. So yeah, this is the airplane bag I'm gonna use. I haven't used this bag in so long. It has a P on it because it's a pennyboard backpack. So it has these straps on here where you're supposed to attach your pennyboard backpack or your pennyboard. I went through a skater phase. I'm just gonna make sure that there's nothing in any of these hidden pockets because I don't even know the last time I used this bag, because this used to be my go-to airplane bag. It's so nice. It has so many pockets. So I'm going to pop some snacks in there. We have some granola bars and fruit snacks that I'll pop in this little front pouch up front. And I'm going to grab some like veggie sticks and stuff and put them in here because you never know when the opportunity to have a snack will present itself. I'm going to put my wallet in there. I think I'm going to bring my laptop because I will have some homework to do because I do have school tomorrow. But I don't have school Wednesday, so... But it's like... Because the juniors are taking the ACT again because the last time it didn't work, like because they were taking it online. And it was just like a whole fiasco. So last Tuesday we had off. We had an asynchronous day, so we still had homework. Like teachers assigned things, but we didn't have to go to school unless you were a junior. So same thing on Wednesday. So I'll have homework on Wednesday to do on the airplane. So yes. And then I have, hold on, this little pouch to put all my chargers in. I don't know if this one's big enough, but I'll put like my Apple Watch charger, my computer charger, my phone charger, roll them up and put them in here. I have a little bit bigger of a bag in case this one's too small. I don't know if it will fit my computer charger, but we shall see. I'll pack my hairbrush in my toiletries bag, but I'll use that tomorrow, and I need to use my toothbrush and toothpaste tomorrow. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna finish packing up this bag really fast with the snacks and stuff. I'm kind of weird and I like to bring my own blankets on trips, especially if it's somewhere cold. So I'm going to fold this up, and there's enough room in my suitcase that this can be nicely draped on top super easily, just like so. Boom. So look how cute this one is. It's got little French bulldogs and they're in petty with little Eiffel Towers and hearts. So cute. Okay, so basically in the morning, I need to pack my brush, the chargers, that bag, which has all of the liquid products, because this is how airplanes work. You have to put it in a quart-size clear Ziploc bag. It's got hand sanitizer, moisturizer, chapstick, lip gloss, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, yeah, all that stuff in there. So I'm gonna put this in here so I can grab it easy. Then when we get through security, I can just pop it in this bag or even leave it in this bag, like it's not that big. And then that brush will go into this bag in the morning when I brush my hair. Good morning, guys. It's about 4:40 in the morning. I'm just packing up my backpack. I'm gonna bring a notebook because I think I have to take math notes. And just got some period products to pack up. And I pack my electronics in here, like I said before.